Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add funds to your Nintendo Switch so that you can purchase games on your Switch digitally. So to do this, you want to head on over to the Nintendo eShop. So we're going to select that and then select whichever profile that you want to use. And if you only have one profile, then that's the one that's going to be selected. I'm clicking on my main profile here, and then it's going to load the Nintendo eShop. Now, at this point, if you have a Nintendo eShop code that you want to enter in to redeem some funds, you can do that down here at the bottom where it says enter code. Select that, and then you can enter in the code and click OK to redeem it. If you're interested in getting a Nintendo eShop card, you can get those over at Amazon. I'll have a link posted right at the top of the video description over to Amazon if you want to access it through those means. All right, so now over on Amazon's webpage, we can go ahead and click whichever eShop card amount that we're looking to get. Let's just say we wanted to grab the $20 one, so we're going to click on that. And then it's just as simple as adding it to your Amazon cart and checking out like you would normally on Amazon. You might be asking yourself, well, how do I find the code after I purchase the Nintendo eShop gift card? And it's going to be in your digital downloads area. So to do this, just hover over your account up here in the upper right-hand corner. Go down and click where it says your account. And then in the digital content and devices, it's going to be in the digital games and software. You can click on that. And then all of your downloads and codes are going to be found in this area. So I hope this was helpful, showing you how you can go about getting one of those Nintendo eShop gift cards on Amazon and then how you can find the redemption code. There are some other options that you can purchase with as well. So just for an example, let's go to the best sellers and let's select Cat Quest here, which is on sale right now for $2.59. And then when I click proceed to purchase, I don't currently have funds in my Nintendo account, so I need to add funds, and I can do this again through that Nintendo eShop card or through a credit card or through PayPal. So if you select credit card, you can actually add just the required amount to pay for the game if you don't want to add more funds than what's necessary to buy, or you can go in different increments here as well through credit card, and you have the same options through PayPal. Again, you can put in the required amount only or some different incremental options in there. And then as well, the Nintendo eShop card, you can redeem it on this page right here. Go ahead and choose whichever funding option is going to work best for you. Follow the on-screen steps, and you should be good to go at that point, adding funds into your Nintendo eShop account to purchase whichever game that you're looking to add to your Nintendo Switch. So I hope this video was helpful, showing you how to add funds to your Nintendo Switch. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.